customer wants me to use his old box and rip the carpet off of it. Now it's hairier than a French woman's armpit, so time to give it a shave, I think. Stupid old box. Anyway, reason I'm doing this, basically got to sand this down afterwards to recarpet it. If it's covered with fluff, I'm never going to get through it. So get everything nice and hard, make sure it can be sanded, and I'm not going to show you the sanding process because that's boring as hell. Just cut to the bit where it looks all good in the car and no one sees all the hard work.